ile tu huko East Africa yetagwo Museveni. Ni wenda ile tu huko.
Guku ona no aragia handu-ini ha muhirika.
Yes. Niwe guka huko. Na actually handu ha kwaria ri. You cannot tell him not to talk about history. Oe maundu ma Kenya gukira some of the elected leaders.
No, a lot.
Yes.
You see ona ikara guku miaka mingi muno.
Wega thiu.
Uguo na akiri mucerangi guku.
Ona ni ikaraga ucio ni Idi Amin wa ikaraga riri. That town itagwo atio when you go through Muranga. Wabatete kuria kwa Kagucia. Mukuruaini. Yeah, shaka huko Idi Amin. Nake we ni ikaraga huko. Museveni.
Museveni ikaraga huko.
Atongoria wa kuu hakuwi wothe wana ikara kundu kuri
guku.
Tondu no bote ari ona kaundu guku.
Ndireci ona he ciana ciake ithomeire guku.
Yes, actually the daughter athomeire guku. Ni a school in Nyeri and she was athoma undercover with a pseudonym. Yes.
Ndakiri mugeni kundu guku.
Riu guku ni mucii. Na ndagece kaundu kundu
guku.
Yes. And Ronnie acererwo ni mugathe Uhuru. Retired.
Muthenya ni ira.
Yesterday.
Yes.
And they looked very warm.
No ni makiuyaine.
Yes. Na ucio Museveni oya ithia giathana guku. You see, your leadership skill is like your father's. You are a good president. How is it going? What I don't understand is, after 10 years, what came to your mind to decide to retire? Sasa unajua sheria yetu. Na ile katiba tuko naye sasa, huwezi kuendelea mbele. Sasa ikifika hapo, that katiba is funny.
Who wrote it?
Who amended it? Because it never used to say that. Sasa hiyo ni mambo ya 2010. Some amendments are very monumental. Here we are still there. Ni sisi tu. Use your job. Hapa ni kazi tu. Yes. So still leading the nation, and the nation is still behind me. Azakero modere. Nyawo ciarairwo ni deputy president.
Nyonire muthi nake deputy president Professor Kithure Kindiki.
Yes.
Nake auma kuo ukirugamirira munene wake.
Yes.
Auma na kigomano I think kia mabũrũri ma Africa maria under AU.
Yes, the ones that have been giving the soldier support, the missions. Yes.
Mauma na gĩikaro rĩu tondũ president nake China-rĩ munini wake akeguthuka kumurugamirira.
Yes. Na Museveni ari o muno ria bũrũri uthia na mbere. Nejo ni ambire kuya kidogo ria. Excuse me, Mosh. Who is that one?
It's Professor Kindiki.
What is a lecturer?
No, he's a deputy president of Kenya.
Since when?
Late last year.
These Kenyans are confusing us. These Kenyans are now beginning to confuse us. How many deputy presidents do they have at one time?
Just one.
So this is the deputy of the deputy president.
No, he's a deputy president.
Hold on, Scroll Ruto. Scroll there to R. Is that one?
There's only one Ruto there.
Excuse me, Samoei. Kipchirchiri. How do you operate government? So what happened to Baba Gachagua? I was expecting Baba Gachagua, then I'm told you have brought a professor. Or you decided to change the qualifications. Sasa mzee huyo ndio yuko, yule mwingine alileta Gizrani wakaleta Gizrani wabunge wakasema wabunge or you. Sasa wale watu, the one that voted to actually kumtoa kwa kiti ni wabunge, na hiyo mambo ilienda mpaka seneti. So no, I see what you did there.
We have been around.
We know these things. Sham, you are elder. What we are doing is we are the best setters.
Sasa wewe wacha mambo mengi sasa mzee, sasa wewe karibisha huyo anaitwa Kindiki.
So is your deputy for real?
Sasa wewe mzee, mimi I'm telling you. I'm not a madman, nakueleza.
You Kenyans.
You Kenyans are funny and dynamic in a funny way. So, before the next election, how many can I expect?
Sasa huyu atakaa, huyo ako sawa sawa. Huyo hata ako sawa sawa, huyo hana mambo mengi ya kutisha.
No, Amake.
But where does your deputy president get powers to threaten you?
Who chose him?
Who selected him?
You know, in Kenya, the deputy president gets elected alongside the president.
How? So who becomes president? Is it two people or one? And I hear he has been talking about you on television. And that television was on the air for 2 hours.
And you are probably watching.
It was live streaming. You see, here you stream in your own production studio. The signal will not go far. Anyway, let me continue with your professor. What are the Chinese saying?
Makiharira kuria indo ikuma ya gutwara reri boda-ini ya Uganda.
Do you know to them about the railway? All right, let me tell you, Kindiki. Yes, I have been told who you are. You looked familiar, but now it's clear. Yes. So you are from which region? Are you from the region the other one was from?
Yeah, from Mulima.
Yes, mzee, we are very happy to be here. And we are excited. There's a Kenyan delegation. And we really appreciate the support of Uganda to our agenda as a country.
Yes. I like that. Can you be louder? So let me ask you. I imagine, because the modus operandi in Kenya is when you are a deputy, eventually you vie for presidency. So after Ruto is you.
Well, let us not talk politics for now.
No, but politics has to be talked. Your predecessor, what ate him?
Siasa too.
It was just politics, local politics at play. And I am a professor. I know how to deal with politics and intertwine it with excellence in academia.
There is no academics in politics. That is where you get it wrong. You see, politics is politics and a little bit of military.
Are you from the military?
Do you have a history in the military?
Well, I am a scholar.
You see, you need to start getting footprints. You need to start flying around in military helicopters.
In 2 years, to number deputy president.
How is that? The power in Kenya is very transferable.
You keep changing.
Are you planning to change Ruto?
No, that one is now another big process, and I don't think it is necessary.
So I was just asking because vile munaenda.
Ela iko vieti na